Hey Jammers, it's me, Wolves here, and oh, sorry, it's laggy because I have a lot of beta. So today we're going to be going to my buddy's den and seeing if they trust me. And I'm also going to tell them my YouTube and everything like that so they can check it out, and they can also, not, see that they got scammed. Because obviously I do not scam anymore. I do not with sprinkles on top. I do not scam Jammers. I find it useless. And so that's why today's video we are going to be showing you all of this. So let's go. So let's pick a random Jammer from our buddy list. Okay. Let's go to their den. Oh, it's locked. Okay. Let's go see if... Oh, look, somebody's at our den. Who the heck is that? Oh, Celia. I'm recording, whoever you are. Who are you? I don't know who you are. I am recording. Who are you? I don't know who this is. Hey, wait. Here, we can do trust with them. So, I am doing something, and I need you. Question. Do you trust me? Me. Because, if she trades me her best item, I'm obviously going to accept the trade, and then I'm going to give her her items back. And here, I'm gonna put a necklace on trade and see if she says yes. Okay. So, trade me your best, please, and I will give. Easy as that. Man, this music is amazing. Let's wait till she trades us for this. Come on. The item. I'm drinking coffee at something at 5:54 at night. So, let's check it out. Okay. So that's her best item, which is, I think it's a beta. So we're gonna go ahead and accept. Okay. Okay, there we go. So, she does trust me. That's good. She have the item on trade? Oh, she just has pillows. Okay, well, let's trade her the pillows. Okay. There we go. Thanks for trusting me. Oh. Okay. Thanks for... Okay. Oh, she's on an adventure. Okay, so she can't be answering me. So let's go to Dark Light. Is this Dark Light? I can't tell. Yeah, this is Dark Light. Okay. Ugh, let's go to Kitty Meow. See if Kitty Meow trusts me. Loading my world. Oh my god. Okay, that's it. Okay, after putting my password in, it finally lets me load again. So let's go ahead and start. So we were doing Kitty Meow. We're gonna go to her den and see if she will come. And let's ask her the simple question: do you trust me? And let's fight Kitty Meow. Okay, let's go to I Gnome. Let's do I Gnome instead. So where's I Gnome? Okay, it's not letting me click on my buddies, so it's kind of weird. Let's go to my den and do this because Oh, look, everybody disappeared. Then there's the creepy dinosaur over here. There's the creepy dinosaur. Okay. So I have to put my password in again. You gotta be kidding me, Animal Jam. Okay, Jammers, I have to put my password in again for like the 7th time. Finally worked and let me in, Animal Jam. So, where is she? Jammer Township. Okay, let's go ahead and ask a simple question of ease. If she asks what's my channel name, I will tell her. Oh, there she is. Hey! So, and I come to ask, do trust me? Why? I guess, lol. Okay. Well, can you trade? Because I promise I won't scam you, because I learned my lesson on scamming. I'm a reformed jammer, and I find not use of scamming. So let's go ahead and put the pillow on trade and see what she does. Sure. Look, she has the golden bunny. She hasn't trade. Oh wow, she has lots of good stuff. Lots of good stuff. Okay. Promise I don't. Oh, okay. Hey, a rare is a rare. I'm not gonna actually. Okay. Put the pillow. Pillow's not a trade, so. Should put it on trade yet? Should put it on trade? Okay, it's on trade. So now, what was it? Was it like, okay, yeah, here it is. There we go. So there we are. So she got her rare back. So by far, all of my buddies trust me. That's good. I'm glad to have some jammers who do trust me. There will be a few parts to this video because, yeah, no problem. Bye. Okay, let's do the next jammer. Next jammer is Don't Be 7. I'm gonna skip him because he doesn't seem. He seems sweet. Where is he? Okay, he's busy because he doesn't show up where he is. Princess D. Okay, I think she's busy because she's on an adventure or something. Princess Snowy Wolf. She's at Knoll Dance. Okay, she's fine. So let's go ahead and ask her the question. Oh, hey. So I'm recording a video. And I was wondering if you would trust me. Is that it? That's all I can say. All I can say is, hey, so I'm recording a video and I was wondering if you'd trust me. So obviously she's probably busy. Nano the cat. So I don't know what she looks like, so we're just gonna go right down. Oh, it's Cat Gang. Sorry, Cat Gang, but I'm gonna have to not listen to you right now. Oh, Nano the cat. Sup? She looks like the person who says sup. Okay, actually, it's a boy. Yeah, what am I talking about? So, I'm recording. A video, and I was wondering, do you trust me? Says nope. Tear. Tear down my eye if he says no, because we've had a really nice relationship, dude. Good friends. If he says no, I'm gonna be sad. I swear. If he says no, there's gonna be a tear down my eyeball. That's actually a really good idea. Cookie, awesome, cool. Oh, she's cute. Why should I trust you? No! Nano! It's for the video. Video. Period. Oh. Do my buddies trust me? So far, everyone has, and they all got their items. Okay. Okay. So I'm just like I'm just gonna say with okay. No, man, I don't want you to not trust me because like we had a good relationship. Like I swear. Here. Oh gosh, if this is my scam, I'm seriously done. No, it's not. I promise. Promise-y. Okay, so now what? If he says no, I'm gonna scream. I'm like, literally, I love Nano, because Nano's so nice. He's a nice nugget. Okay, so now he's gonna... Yeah, let's turn off the Animal Jam music. I'm gonna listen to my music. Good music. Okay, let's see.
If you could get me a drink of water, 'cause my lips are chapped and faded, call my Anne-Marie. Have a gather all my things and bury me in all my favorite colors. My sisters and my brothers do. I will not kiss you, 'cause the hardest part of this is leaving you.
Put it. Okay. Now get back. Do you have one on trade? Wait, come back. Come back. Chicken tender. Tender. Okay, yeah, he has one on trade. Okay, let's turn that down. Okay, let's put that. Yes. I'm playing a game with my mom. Yeah, I'm that cool. Just kidding. Mom is amazing. Mothers are amazing. So we're playing this game called Friendo. She says the TV. My question is, the TV cartoon dog I most want to take a walk on is Scooby-Doo, Brian Dog, Santa's Little Helper, and Snoopy. Snoopy. I like Snoopy. Okay, now I just gotta wait until she answers my question, and she has a new one. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. Okay, Jammers, so that's all that we can do for today, because, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and all my buddies do trust me, I guess, in this video. There will be another part to this, so some Jammers might not trust me, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.